In profit alone, just like $700 just this morning before lunch, before noon, which was of benefit, pure profit.
This is where we saw the crackhead walking away with our stolen lawnmower. Good times.
Oh, she's laughing at me.
19. I am full of glizzies and white people queso.
Double glizzied up.
I had triple glizzy.
You did have trouble. You took all three at once.
It's too many. What did we recap here? We woke up.
You started. I mean, we did our morning stuff, and then immediately after, you started your day with truckloads.
It was we had material. I think I talked about this, maybe
Yeah, I think you have a little clip to insert here.
Salmon for breakfast, French toast for lunch.
Look, quit itching. I did technician for a little bit. I'm wearing a hat. That never happens. That's cool. That worked. Anyways. Okay, look at that. Took several loads.
Phrasing!
Which was of benefit, pure profit. It's off a job where we actually needed that stuff to move, be not there, and someone else needed the material. So the client saved money, we got extra money, the person getting the dirt got an amazing deal. So that was a win. I got to knock out in profit alone just like $700 just this morning before lunch, before noon. Preferable, honestly. Protein, fish for breakfast, and a nice sweet lunch. Oh, she's laughing at me.
I cleaned the room today. Now we can actually walk around in there and enjoy our new floor. And the desk is almost set up too, which is really nice.
I need that though. It's been terrible trying to upload footage off of her laptop instead of my big mega computer.
We got our banners for the October event in, and then we also bought some stuff to have the coolest booths out of any of the booths that are gonna be there.
We're gonna have to set up booths ahead of time and work out the kinks before the bigger event.
Definitely.
Do a few dry runs at the house too.
And then after doing all those things, went over to our friend's house and grilled up some dogs, some white people queso, had some brownies. Oh, we also swung by our old neighborhood.
Oh, that was crazy. Yeah. We went to my old lot. Just the hood, literally. Getting to show our friends.
Literally the hood.
Oh yeah, this is where I was jumped. Oh yeah, this is North Austin. It's not.
This is where we saw the crackhead walking away with our stolen lawnmower. Yeah. Good times.
Oh, we got to see the cool neighbor across the street, Raphael. It's hilarious because he speaks
No English.
No, he'll throw one or two English words in with a super deep Spanish accent, and I throw in one or two Spanish words.
It gets you by.
We've had conversations like that for years.
My name is Jeff.
I do miss him.
Yeah, he is sweet. I think that's basically the recap. We gotta go inside, shower, cause fire pit in the grill. We're
Yeah, it smells
smoky. Brush our teeth, and yeah, hopefully be laying down.
The dogs.